So today I just thought I make a video on it's a sub, it's a Mackie sub. It's a Mackie 1501. I've already checked the unit. It was badly bent. Most of the components on here were bent. As you can see, these are the damaged components. So I've managed to order some new resistors, IRF 640, some resistors, some Zener diodes. So today we're just gonna see if when I put these parts, if the unit will switch on and we can able to test it afterwards. If you look closely, we zoom in there. You can see all here, this was all bent. So today we're just gonna put the parts and we see how this unit will behave afterwards. It was a very straightforward fault finding because, like I said, these parts were all physically blown. You could see I still got some few parts that I need to replace. If you look closely, you can see this resistor just changed color. If you also look closely, this resistor, you can see it's bent, so I still need to replace that. If you look at here, this resistor also is bent, so I still need to change those, and then we can see how this unit will behave afterwards. So I'm just gonna put the new parts in the moment that I've bought, and let's see if we'll able to revive this unit. So this board, we're gonna replace the components which are faulty, which were all faulty when I test them. Like I showed you, I've got some parts. This is my 15 and this is my 20 volts. So we're gonna have 115 for BD2. Our D14. Then we have R13 and R14. Then we have the 2.2. Which is R13. So this is IRF 640. And then we'll just replace it there, and I can only replace that when I've mounted it to align the screws. I still have to replace these ones here. So I will just put back this board and then we can put our IRF 640. Let me just clean up here.